Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 2.1 question number 1. Which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? State reasons for your answer. First of all, let us find question number 1. Question number 1 you see here is question number 1 is 4 x square minus 3x plus 7. Here you see that the power of x square, x raised to the power 0 are whole numbers, right? And it is a variable of x only. That we can say it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial in one variable x. It is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. It is a polynomial in one variable x. In one variable. One variable x. Number 2. Number 2 is y square plus root 2. Or it can be written as y square plus root 2 y to the power 0. Here you see the power of the y 0 and 2 are whole numbers, right? Therefore it is also a polynomial with one variable y, right? It is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. Polynomial in one variable y. In one variable. In one variable. In one variable y. Now question number 3 is given as 3 root t plus t root 2. It can be written as 3 t to the power half 1 by 2, that is root, plus t root 2. Here you see the power of t is 1 by 2, which is not a whole number. Therefore it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Here you see the power of t is half, which is not a whole number. Therefore it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is y plus 2 by y. 2 by y. It can be also written as y plus 2 and y to the power minus 1. Here also you see the power of y is minus 1, but minus 1 is not a whole number. Then we can say that it is not a polynomial. The power of y is minus 1, therefore minus 1 is not a whole number, therefore it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Question number 5. 5 is x to the power 10. X to the power 10 plus y to the power 3 plus t to the power 50 plus t to the power 50. Here also you see that it is a polynomial in three variables. It is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. It is a polynomial in three variables. In three variables. Three variables. Three variables x, y, and t. Right? Therefore, it is not a polynomial in one variable. Therefore, it is not a polynomial in one variable. Therefore, it is not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. Not a polynomial in one variable. In one variable. Let us find once again. Here you see 4 square minus 3x plus 7. Here you see that the power of x are all whole numbers. Therefore, it is a polynomial in one variable x. Right? Number B is y square plus root 2. Y square plus root 2 y to the power 0. The power of y is also 2 and 0. These are whole numbers. Therefore, it is a polynomial in one variable y. 3 t to the root t plus t root 2. 3 root t can be written as t to the power half. But half is not a whole number. Therefore, it is not a polynomial. Y plus 2 by y, that is y plus 2 to the power 2 into y to the power minus 1. Minus 1 is also not a whole number, therefore it is not a polynomial. Y to x to the power 10 plus y to the power 3 plus t to the power 5. It is a polynomial in three variables, that is x, y, and t. Therefore, it is not a polynomial in one variable. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.